Good morning, students. Today I am with the treasure within of class 8 related to supplementary reader. In this lesson, we are going to know that every child is capable of doing big things. He can become a hero in the area of his interest. What is needed most is to discover his talent or aptitude. Hafiz is a living example of such a hero. My dear students, please pay your attention. What's inside the lesson? Hafiz Contactor is today India's leading architect. But he was unhappy and careless at school. He loved doing things and hated mechanical learning. He used to have terrible dreams about appearing for a maths examination in which he knew nothing at all. When he reached the third standard, he lost interest in studies. He took interest in games and playing practical jokes on others. He passed all the school exams by using unfair means. My dear student, what happened? But later, one sentence is spoken to him by his respected principal that changed his life. He was in the 11th standard. Then the principal said that Hafiz was a good student but had little interest in studies. The principal had taken care of him till that day, but now he could no longer take care of him. He should study hard. Only sports won't take him far. He took his final examination. He could never get more than second class. No doubt he was pulled up by his teachers. At school, he received a caning every week for not doing homework or for his bad behavior. Caning did hurt him badly, but he forgot about it soon when he was in playground. Every Saturday he went to see a movie. He was the leader of a gang of boys and took part in going fights. My dear students, he used to open his textbook only on the day just before exams. This was the habit of Hafiz Contactor. My dear students, again, please try to pay your attention. How then he could become an architect? This is very important question. Hafiz told the interviewer that he wanted to join the army or the police force, but his mother told him to do his graduation first. So he joined Jai Hind College in Bombay. There he studied French for 7 years without learning anything. He later learned his language from his cousin and architect's wives. My dear student, please pay attention about the story of Hafiz contractor. It so happened that Hafiz saw somebody drawing a window detail. He told the man that the window won't open. He had a bed and he wanted it. His cousin's husband asked him to design a house and he did it. He then asked Hafiz to join architecture and Hafiz got first position in the entrance test in that college of architecture. He thinks that all his qualities grew from what he used to play and do during school. My dear student, he admitted frankly that he was bad at languages. He was also poor in maths. Gifted boys are said to be poor in learning. Class toppers often do very ordinary later. He himself could sketch on the spot. He judged the taste of client from his way of talking and eating. Hafiz always hated maths, but now as an architect he loves that subject. My dear students, in this lesson we knew that practical experience is most important part of life. We must try to do that in which field we are interested really. Thank you.